In this video, we'll demonstrate how to blur your house in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to protect your privacy on Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Are you concerned about your house being clearly visible on Google Maps' Street View? Let's explore how you can blur your house's image for added privacy. Firstly, open Google Maps and navigate to the area where your house is located. Zoom in until you have a clear view of your house or the specific area you want to blur. Once you're at the desired spot, drop a pin on the location. Now, tap on Street View at the bottom. This will display images of various houses. If you want to blur your house, tap the three dots at the top right and select Report a Problem. A new page will appear where you can adjust the view to cover the entire house. Choose the option to blur your home and provide information about why you're requesting the blur. You can specify whether you want to blur the entire house or just specific parts. Following this, confirm that you certify ownership of the. Then, enter your email address, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and click Submit. Google may reach out to verify your ownership or ask additional questions. Once verified, they'll blur the image, ensuring that your house isn't clearly visible in Street View. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found it valuable, a like would be appreciated. For more tutorials, subscribe to Media Magnet Guide and visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.